Welcome to this quick guide on deploying and using Botpress. Botpress is a powerful open-source chatbot platform designed to help you build, manage, and optimize conversational experiences, all through an easy-to-use web interface. Let's get started. First, head over to launch.knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Open Hub. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for Bot. Once you see Botpress, hover over it and click on Deploy. Deploying this application will usually take approximately 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, wait for about 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now click on Open App. Botpress is now running. You'll need to create a master account by entering your email, setting a new password, confirming it, and then clicking on Create Account. Looks like the confirmed password didn't match. Let me correct that real quick. At the top right, you'll see the Create Bot option. Just hover over it and click on New Bot. Here, you can give your bot any name you like. I'm going with a simple one, just hello. Next, choose any template you prefer. I'm selecting the Welcome Bot template for this demo. Then, just click on Create Bot to finish. Now, click on the bot you just created to open it. Here you'll see a welcome tour. If you'd like, you can go through it, or just close it if you want to skip. This is where you can start building workflows for your chatbot. Now let's head back to the homepage. On the right side of the bot card, there's a 3-line icon. When you hover over it, you'll see the option, Copy Link to Clipboard. Click on that. This copies the public link where anyone can chat with your bot. Let's open the link in a new tab to test it. Let's type, "Hi." And just like that, the bot responded instantly with a friendly message. It's a quick and easy way to see your chatbot in action right after deployment. That's it for this quick overview. If you'd like a more detailed video on building chatbot flows or exploring advanced features, just drop a comment. We'd be happy to cover it. And if you need help setting it up, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.